My sound, wait, no, I fixed it. Oh no. I'm doing with the sound order feature because my sound exploded. No. On Google, I mean not Google, I mean YouTube Create, because I use that to edit. Anyway, let's get into the game. Whee! Oh no, an ad. Wah. Oh wait, I don't need to summon a guy.
Nice to see you.
I just murder you with my knife. Trench. It used to be called battle attack knife, but apparently it's called trench knife now. I love. You know, should I censor this? Well, it's not monetized. I don't think it matters. Well, actually, I don't think you get demonetized as long as your video isn't kind of get a police officer and steal his and murder him and steal his gun. I don't care if I get wanted by federal order. I don't care. But what do you think makes me care? Oh my god, they made that a lot more gruesome. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is so gruesome. Kids, look away. Kids, I'm a kid, but I don't care. I'm murdered at 27. I need nothing. I mean, everyone, just give me your gun, bro. I need your gun. Do you have a gun? Come on, you don't have a gun on you? It's the worst cop ever. Worst cop ever. Come on here, give me a gun. Oh, you have a gun. Oh, I can tell you have a gun. Oh, there. You think I quit? You think I ever quit? Now, is there any armor around here? Hey, where's your gun? Yeah, no longer wanted by federal order. I have a gun now. So I should be safe, but I'm armored. Well armored. Okay, look at my armor. I need a bandage. I like bandages. They're no complex. Plus, I love being a god. Because I am in most realities. Never mind. So, throw away the ones. I'm sticking to oh no, another cop.
Nice.
I'm a better cop than you. You didn't even shoot me right away. I know cops are bad. Do they think I'm a cop and I've never ever been a good person? Don't you whine about me being wanted by federal order. Don't you whine, game. I'm a better shooter than you, game. Actually, I bet the game doesn't even know how to shoot. I can literally a video game, but I don't think you know how to shoot you. You know what? Nah. No, come here, little bro. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. You think you can beat me like that? I know where you live. You live in my reality. Nothing is really real. You just have to live in my imagination. Anyway! Come here. Oh, geez, that was real gruesome. Is it like I care? Give me that gun. There's like armor over here. I need my armor. Dang, you didn't give me my armor back? Sad. Oh no, they said desert breachers at me. What will I ever do? I start to shoot your son? If I did, I'm sorry. I think I just shot your son. Dang, that's bad. Dang, that's sad. Nope! You don't have a son no more. Womp womp. Oopsie, sorry. Give me his gun. Hahaha. I'm gonna get this small child here. Just freeze you in place, shoot your arms off. And watch as I murder your friend. This is too torture. Shut up. Oh dang. Oh dang, he dead. I think he dead. Well, might be the most recent kid you've ever seen as a YouTuber. Most little kid YouTubers are like, oh my god, that's cringe. Do you think I'm cringe? Do you think I'm cringe? No, actually, if you think I'm cringe, guys, all my lovely subscribers that I care about so much, because you guys are literally the only people that's ever subscribed to me and actually show good stuff. Please comment if I'm actually the best child YouTuber. If I'm not, well, the chances of me quitting YouTube are higher than 10. That'd be other way. I hate Windows. Who needs Windows? Me. Shut up, Gerald. Yay! They got some sense in them. Let me tell you all the things that I can do to fulfill your wishes that they may come true. Count the goodies one by one. Wow. Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ah, yes, the sweater. So cute, so cute. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen, haven't you? Come on. I can resell you. Get there. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Oh, I thought that armor would protect you, you weak armor. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Wait, yo, you still have a head? You have a chance of survival. Oh, never mind, actually. Never mind. Get in there. Yo, where'd you go? Sorry, but you can't escape, really? That's like, because I don't feel like it, so you can't escape until I feel like you escaping. So I would never feel like you escaping. Torture time. Wow. Let's go arms. Let's go head first. They're going in there head first, boy. Yay! Now I have a leg. Wait, no, I want the leg. I said I want the leg. Here's the leg. No. What the? It's escaping. Ah! Where'd it go? Oh, what the? Yeah, this is where I live. I live here. This fish. Who's talking back on the floor? Me. So I think what you can do. Here's another AI.
How are you?
Let's solve them there. Guess what, sir? This seems comfortable. This seems comfy. This seems very comfy. Ooh, that's like the best place to lay. Play. I don't know why I just said that. Who cares? Okay, I think I can remove this thing now because that might hurt a little. Here's some cupcakes. Nope, that's gone though. Oh. No, I'm not sure what to do in this video. Murder, murder, murder. Let me be your murder. Oh, is this a bright one? Can you burn someone? Vulnerability.
Nice to see you.
Invulnerable. Okay, he's really invulnerable. What if he's the divine doll? You can hurt him. It's really hard. Wait, no, I can't hurt him. I feel like. Oh, balloony. Just lift him up in the air. Just lift him up in the air. Open stuff. Goodbye. Bye bye. See you later, buddy. So I'm here like on the top of the building. And like, god damn it, like cars. What? What the hell is that? I'm just like casually use my sniper rifle. From my room. What the hell? What the hell is that? What the hell is that guy? Oh! That didn't do nothing. Really big like car stuff. Wait a minute, I don't think the best idea ever. So you're in the back seat, right? And then all of a sudden, oh my game froze. That's not good. Seriously, this is not good. You guys hear me right now? This isn't good. Okay, well, that's all. Remember to like and subscribe, and why not? And maybe comment if you feel extra generous.